Well, let's tell you about the strike that killed Ayman al-Zawahiri, the Al-Qaeda chief. Now, the American strike on al-Zawahiri, the supreme leader of the Al-Qaeda, was likely carried out through with a missile called the Hellfire R9X. It's also referred to as the ninja bomb or the flying Ginsu. Now, this is reported to be the home, you can see in this picture, in Kabul, where Ayman al-Zawahiri was believed to be staying. Let's zoom in over there, have that full frame for a moment. Now, as you can see over here, windows on two sides have been blown out. He was apparently on a balcony over there. This is believed to be the missile that struck al-Zawahiri. Let's change to the missile, which we can show you next. Change to the next picture, which is of the missile. Right, thanks. Well, this is believed to be the missile that struck al-Zawahiri. The missile that is in fact fired from a Predator drone that you see over here. It has no warhead but deploys 6 blades which fly in at high speed, crush and slice the targeted person. Now, finally, we can show you an example of the impact of this missile in Idlib in Syria, a perfect strike on a car with those inside being taken out, a precision strike. That's the weapon which was likely to be used. So what is the impact of the elimination of Ayman al-Zawahiri on India? For years, al-Zawahiri did try to get into Kashmir with little or no success, but the Al-Qaeda consistently threatened India even this year. Now, al-Zawahiri drew parallels between Kashmir and Palestine. He criticized Muslim countries like Saudi Arabia for supporting India. The Al-Qaeda affiliate Ansar Ghazwatul Hind was formed in Kashmir, but it was finished after the terrorist ZAKIR MUSA was eliminated. In 2014, al-Zawahiri issued his first statement on India, speaking about Islamic unity. In April this year, he issued a statement after the HIJAB controversy. And in June, he issued another statement threatening attacks on Delhi, Mumbai and Uttar Pradesh with suicide bombers.